Let us try to solve this question. If A is less than B is less than C is less than D, then we have to find out the roots of this given equation. Now for this, we need to understand that if fx has the root between A and B, then fa into fb is negative. That implies that if we have a function like this, then fa and b, f of a is this, which is a negative number, f of b is a positive number, and fa into fb is negative. Similarly, there could be another situation where it is going from positive to negative. So this is another kind of a situation which is possible. So whenever fa into fb is negative, we are going to get the root for the given function. So now for this function fx is equal to x minus a into x minus c plus 2007 x minus b into x minus d. I need to find out where does the root lies. So basically I need to find out whether the function is going to be positive or negative for a given value. Okay, so I'll find out quickly the value of fa. This is going to come out to be as 0, and this is going to come out as a minus b is a negative number, and a minus d is going to be a negative number. So negative and negative is going to be a positive number, so eventually it's going to be a positive number. For f of b, we have, this is a negative number, this is so b minus a is a positive number, b minus c is a negative number, so positive into negative is a negative, and this is going to be 0. So eventually this is going to be a negative number. So I know for the fact that there is going to be a root between a and b. What about fc? Fc is coming out to be, this is equal to 0, and this is going to be a positive number, and this is going to be a negative number, and positive into negative is negative, so this is going to be a negative, so eventually negative. So I know for the fact that between b and c there won't be any root. For f of d, it will come out to be a positive number, so positive into positive is positive, and this is eventually going to be 0. So this is going to be a positive number. So I know for the fact that there is going to be a solution between c and d also. So there is a root between a and b, there is a root between c and d. Now, one thing which people miss is what about the roots beyond a and beyond d? So let me take a value which is less than a. So a value which is less than a. Now for a value which is less than a, this is going to be a negative number. This is going to be a negative number. This is going to be a negative number, and this is going to be a negative number. So negative and negative is positive, and this is negative into negative. This is also positive. So uh, for any number less than a, f of that value will come out to be a positive number. Okay, and for the numbers which are greater than d, so value is greater than d, what will happen for such a case is, this is going to be a positive number, this is going to be a positive number, this is also positive, and this is also positive. So again, f at new value which is greater than d, this is also going to be positive. Now beyond a, it is going to be positive, so no roots in between these two, and this is also positive, so no roots between these two as well. So eventually the answer to this question would be a root between a and b and c and d. So c and d is the correct option, and a and b is the correct option. Thank you.